everyone, it's Kara. It's time for the Monday meal. And since it's Super Bowl game week, we're doing a Super Bowl dish. This is going to be a pepperoni dip. I got it from All Recipes Dinner Spinner app. And I've got it all in my Instapot on the slow cooker function. I set it for 2.5 hours on low. This one's low. Slow cook, low. This one is warm, and this is hot. All right, so when you do the slow cooker, make sure you do not set it on sealing. It has to be on venting. So here's what's in here. They asked for 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese. So we're using our Daiya dairy-free cream cheese. 2 of those. And then it said a cup of sour cream, basically 8 ounces. But some people talked about using yogurt instead. So I'm using the So Delicious dairy-free plain yogurt. And then 2 4-ounce cans of diced green chilies. So we're using these organic ones from Albertsons. And then 2 8-ounce packages of pepperoni, but we're using 2 4-ounce packages of turkey pepperoni. And then you cut the pepperonis into 4s, but there's 50 slices in each of these bags, so it's roughly equivalent to 2 8-ounce bags. And I also used 2 cups of this Daiya dairy-free mozzarella cheese shreds. Some people put Parmesan cheese in there. You don't have to. It's not in the recipe, but I just thought it would taste more like a pizza that way. So what you need to know about these is somebody in the review said that the dip is too greasy if you just put the pepperonis in there. So what a lot of people did, and what I did, was put them onto a microwave-safe plate on a paper towel for a minute in batches after I'd cut it into 4s, and then wiped all the grease off, and then put them in the dip. So hopefully it'll be no grease issues, but that's what everybody suggested in the reviews to do. So I did that as well. So this is what it looks like. It's on low, and we're just gonna leave it on low, and I'm gonna leave and go do something and come back and show you the finished product. All right, guys, it has been however long I set it for, I think 3 hours on the slow cooker function, and it is done, and it looks so yummy. It is our pepperoni dip. Smell-o-vision. Nummy, nummy. Give it a try for the game. Bye.